In a world of synthetic skincare, rediscovering the power of nature is like finding a hidden treasure. Your skin craves nourishment from natural sources. These ingredients, brimming with vitamins and antioxidants, offer a gentle touch with remarkable results. Embracing natural skincare is a commitment to nurturing your skin with the purest ingredients for a radiant glow. Imagine whipping up a face mask in your kitchen, using simple ingredients from your pantry. The aroma fills the air, and you know you're giving your skin a special treat. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, there's a natural face mask recipe waiting to rejuvenate your complexion. Let's embark on a journey to unveil your most luminous skin yet. Nature's pantry is overflowing with ingredients that can transform your skin from dull to radiant. Honey, a golden nectar, is a powerhouse of antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It gently moisturizes, soothes inflammation, and promotes a clear complexion. Yogurt, a probiotic-rich dairy delight, gently exfoliates and brightens skin tone. Oatmeal, a breakfast staple, transforms into a gentle exfoliant for your skin. Avocado, a creamy delight, is a rich source of healthy fats and vitamins that deeply nourish and protect the skin. Bananas, rich in potassium and antioxidants, hydrate and promote skin elasticity. Milk contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and brightens the skin. These natural ingredients are affordable and versatile, forming the foundation of our DIY face mask recipes. Let's dive into the world of DIY face masks and discover the secrets to glowing skin using simple, natural ingredients. Apply the mask evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the delicate eye area. Relax for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the ingredients to penetrate your skin. Rinse off with lukewarm water and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Honey and Yogurt Mask, a soothing embrace. This mask combines the antibacterial properties of honey with the gentle exfoliating action of yogurt. Perfect for acne-prone or sensitive skin, it leaves your complexion soothed and glowing. Combine 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area, and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Oatmeal and avocado. Gentle exfoliation and nourishment. This mask offers gentle exfoliation and deep nourishment for all skin types. Blend 2 tablespoons of rolled oats into a fine powder. Mash half a ripe avocado until smooth. Combine the oat powder and mashed avocado, mixing thoroughly. Apply the mask to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area, and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Banana and Milk Mask, Tropical Hydration Boost. This mask delivers intense hydration and a radiant glow. Mash half a ripe banana until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of milk and mix well. Apply the mask to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area, and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Maximizing the glow tips for best results. Exfoliate regularly. Before applying a face mask, gently exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells. Steam your face. Steaming helps open up pores for deeper penetration of the mask's ingredients. Consistency is key. Use DIY face masks 1 to 2 times per week for optimal results. Listen to your skin. Pay attention to how your skin reacts and adjust your mask recipes accordingly. Embrace the power of natural skincare and enjoy the journey to radiant skin. These DIY face masks are about nourishing your skin from the inside out.